Guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we have a winter storm that just started here in the Northeast. I'm gonna do a quick drive of the Fit. A couple small changes compared to last time on the car. As you can see, I did this Android Auto screen. It's a very cheap screen from Amazon for like 280 bucks. And then I did a leather wrap steering wheel, as well as some JDM taillights that I'll show some photos of later on. But right now it's snowing. I did have the two front tires replaced with Achilles or Achilles. I don't know how you pronounce it, but you guys can correct me in the comments. Winter tires. And then I have some Michelin Ice X tires in the back. So we're gonna do a quick drive and try to pay attention to the OEM factory headlights because I'm gonna swap those relatively soon. Stay tuned for what I'm doing with headlights later on, and see how the car does in the snow. So I have been driving it a little bit today, tonight, and we haven't had too much snow, but definitely a coating on the floor, and it did pretty well. Most of the roads are plowed though, so it doesn't really stand for the ultimate test at the moment, but might take it out tomorrow as well, as it gets a little bit more rough out here, as long as it's not like too dangerous, let's say. But love the car so far. It's super smooth. The gas mileage is good. Everything's been good. Did all the fluid changes and everything, so it's running well. Hopefully we don't jinx that. Let's see here. And I cannot see much with these headlights. They're extremely dangerous in certain locations. So I can't wait to modify these headlights accordingly. Let's see. Got full traction with these tires, which is awesome. If I still had all-season tires on the car, which the car didn't come with all-season tires, it would have been pretty bad. As you can see, there's barely anybody on the road because nobody should be out right now, but I gotta do this video, that's why I'm out here. Risking it all. Not really, but not too bad. The main roads are plowed, but we're gonna go to the side streets right now and see how the condition is back there. Hopefully not too bad. It's probably gonna be a quick video until I get a potential daytime drive of heavier snow conditions, as well as another nighttime video of what I'm planning to do with the headlights, which I'll get a little bit more in depth of what I'm doing later on and why I did it. You guys will see that difference. It's hard to see over here. Oh my god. Up the hill fine so far. Oh, looks like some police activity ahead. Oh no, just a tow truck. Alright, so we're gonna turn into the side road here. Pretty icy. We're gonna take it easy. I gotta turn on the high beams. I can't see anything. Not too bad on the side roads. It looks like they plowed and they salted the roads, which is good. High beams, oncoming traffic just in case. Definitely plowed the roads here. A little more quiet than usual because I'm trying to focus on driving since it's so icy out. Don't want to make any errors here. Handling great so far. See how the stopping is. So this is with traction control on. Let's see the high beams. Man, these halogen headlights are horrible compared to what's out in the market right now. All the nice LED projectors out there, LED reflectors, as well as older style HID headlights, you could actually see a lot. With this, it's so limited. It's extremely dangerous, especially near this area, which is kind of a mountain type of terrain. See a lot of deer that'll pop out of nowhere around this region. Really sketch. See a lot of salt they put on the ground. Gotta get a underbody wash on this after the storm is over to prevent any rust. See if we can get out somewhere and do a quick walk around of the car and the LED taillights mainly, because nothing else really changed besides that. can't see anything. The high beams, it's a bad idea. Back to the low beams here. Car behind me is following me since I'm leading the path. It's starting to get pretty bad out there, actually. Alright, let's do a quick walk around with the taillights. But survived, which is good. See here. Guys, I'm not sure what happened to the footage. It appears to be corrupted as soon as I got out from the car, so I'm just gonna drop some images here to show everyone the taillights. So these taillights are from Japan. They're LED for the taillight itself and the brake light, which is awesome because I wanted something brighter for this car, especially because nobody gives it respect on the road based on how I'm driving it. But yeah, I love the taillights. It was super cheap from Japan, so I think I paid like $130 shipped. And you know, the turn signals and the reverse lights are still halogen, but we'll change that later on. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. The channel has been pretty positive for the most part. A lot of comments, which is great. I try to respond to every single one, so feel free if you have any questions or anything like that to drop a comment below. Make sure to like the video, that helps a lot, and share the video as well with your friends, family, you know, whoever would like to watch the content. It will be well appreciated. But until next time, stay tuned. We definitely have some stuff coming up for the Fit. The next video for the Fit will most likely be a headlight upgrade, and you have to stay tuned to determine what I'm doing with that. And then we'll get some stuff done hopefully on the S2000 and Type R as warmer weather approaches, and see what kind of updates we have on those guys. But thanks again for watching. As usual, guys, I really appreciate it, and see you next time. Peace.